It's Thursday, April 23rd, 2020. And this is a video lesson for the group Feed Me Pie and Divide and Conquer. So we're back at it. I'm continuing to work with percent air. So let's take a look at a problem and then you will have some to work on your own. So a thermometer company compares the reading of one of its thermometers to a thermometer they know is accurate. So we have a new thermometer and one we know is accurate. The accurate thermometer reads 25 degrees. Their thermometer reads 30 degrees. What is the percent air in the reading? So what we're going to do is we're going to use that formula that we talked about on Tuesday. Amount of air over actual amount equals X over 100 because we're trying to find a percent. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the information from our problem and we're going to plug it in and we're going to solve it. So I have 30 degrees and I am going to subtract 30 degrees from, that's right, from 25 because that's the difference in reading. I have 30 degrees and then I have a 25 degree reading. And I'm going to divide that by what number? Well, I'm going to divide it by the actual number, the accurate reading, okay? So I would be dividing that by 25. And that's going to equal X over 100. Now, hopefully you can see where that information is coming from. And as you do more and more of these problems, it should become easier and easier for you to say, we need to find the difference that goes in the numerator, the actual amount that's going to go in the denominator, and then we're going to solve it. So 30 minus 25 gives me 5 over 25 because 30 minus 25 is, 30 minus 25 is 5, right? Equals X over 100. Now, this should start to sound familiar because we have been working on this skill. Now, we have a proportion here with a variable. Okay, we could solve it one of two ways. We could look at how does this 25 become 100? Well, 25 becomes 100 when you multiply it by 4. But we know whatever we do in the denominator, we need to do in our numerator. So 5 times 4 gives us a product of 20. That's right. So what this means is the percent of air would be 20%. Now, we can do this another way. We can also do cross multiplying. So I'm going to change my color a little bit, get real fancy on us, and I'm going to do my cross products, okay? So that would be 5 times 100. So that's going to be 500. And then I multiply my other two numbers, or number and variable this time, 25 times X. So I have 500 equals 25X. And what I need to do is I need to do the inverse operation. So since I'm multiplying here, that's right, I'm going to divide it. So I divide it, 25 divided by 25 gives me 1, and I'm left with just X. 500 divided by 25, and isn't math cool? 25 goes into 50 2 times, and I have dropped my zeros, that would be 20. X equals 20. But since the percent, it would be 20%. So both ways would be good solutions for you when you solve problems like this. So this was a percent error problem. We took our information, we plugged it into our formula, and we showed two ways to solve the problem today. Now it's your turn. Please work hard today as you're solving problems similar to this. Don't forget to take a picture and send it my way when you are finished. If you have any questions, please log on to office hours. I'm requiring every student to log on to office hours at least once a week. So if you have not logged on to office hours, please make sure you do that either today or on Friday. Work hard, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.